Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to insert a signature on your Microsoft Outlook. So for your emails to look much more professional, you should be able to add signature at every given email that you are sending, depending on what kind of office you're holding or what kind of position you're holding, whether you're a professor at a given university, whether you're a head of department, or whether you are a postgraduate coordinator, whether you're a financial officer somewhere. You just need to put your signature so that at any given point your receivers can know who you are and what position you hold. So to do that, all you need to do is to start by opening your Outlook first. So you open your Outlook email. For example, I just open mine, and you can come all the way to try to send a new message, and you can come to signature over here. You can see signature, and you can come to click on signature over here, and you can create new signature. Okay, so you give it a name. Let's say we give it a name. I pull it ABU, and we say okay, and you can type. You have the option to type over here. You have the option to use these features to edit the text to suit your feeling, or you can import from a template. So let's click on get the template, and we can try to get it online. So we'll come over here and we can say get template. You can see a sample of the template. This is a sample email signature that we have from different kind of people. So you can just select, or the first thing is do is the next thing is to download. Once you click on download, it's going to download this for you. I've just downloaded mine, and you can see it over here. You can see it over here. So all you need to do is to click on it to open. Okay, so enable editing. I've just downloaded mine, so you can see it over here. You can see the sample signatures. Okay, you put your name, put your details, something like this, and all that. So even the one that has signature directly, you can see a bunch of them. So you just select according to your liking. Okay, so assuming I'm going for this, what I usually do from here, I just format it to my liking. So what I do is, maybe I can click on this, I'd click and say change picture, and we can say from a file, and I can just easily navigate to my pictures, and I pick this picture. For example, you just click on insert, and it takes the same format. Okay, over here you can put your details, the remaining details. For example, you can put your name, and you can edit the other details, your phone number, your email, and your website if you have, and then other social media handles. You can equally edit all of them. And if you want to link your website to this, all you need to do is to click on it, and then right click, and then you can say edit link, and you just come over here and type your required link, the link that you have. And once you're done, you make sure you are on existing file or web pages, and then once you are able to put in the link to your social media handle, you can just click on OK, and then it gets back to that link. So whenever someone clicks on this, it's going to navigate back to your social media page. So once you are done editing, all you need to do again is to copy. All right, so you just right click and copy, and then you come back to your Outlook where you paste it over here, and you can see it pasted directly. So just be mindful of the name, and this is it. So this, just be mindful of the name. Once you're done putting everything, and you're done with formatting everything here, you can save. Okay, or you can rename if you want, or you can delete, or you can add a new one if you want. So once you're done, you click on OK, and it's going to add this as part of your email. So whenever you write an email, for example, I write an email to Epic Mentorship, and I do this subject as hi, and I type something, hi guy, and then I want to add a signature. You just come over here, and you can just put in the ABU signature, and it's just going to take it. So whenever you send an email, this becomes your signature, and it looks kind of professional and perfect. So if you want to put in more from the templates, you can still come back to the templates and edit the one you like, and then you can upload and copy and paste it to the Outlook's signature as appropriate. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is how to add a signature on the Microsoft Outlook. If you really like or enjoy this video, if you learn anything from this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.